How are you? I hope you are following my classes regularly. Did you finish the worksheet what I had given in previous class? Before going to the topic, I just explain you that worksheet. In the worksheet, I gave only one question. It has 3 numbers. For those 3 numbers, we have to write number name. That means those numbers we have to write in words. Let us see the first number. Here I gave 432. 432. How many digits are here? Only 3 digits. So, we need 3 places to represent these digits. Those are ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Because we should always start from ones place and that must be represents first digit, that is right side digit of the number. Then to get number name, we should take place values of different digits. Let us take. Write 432 is equal to, here 4 is in hundreds place. That means how many hundreds are here? 4 hundreds. Write that. 4 hundreds. I am writing directly 4 into 100. It gives place value of 4. Next take place value of 3. Place value means face value into its place. 3 is the face value of 3. Then 3 is in tens place. So we have to write 10. 3 into 10. It is equivalent to place value of 3. Plus 2 into 1. Now I am taking place value of 2. That means we have to take face value of 2 and place of 2. 2 is in ones place. So I am taking 2 into 1. This is place value of 2. Let us write results. 4 into 100, 400. 4 into 100, 400. Plus 3 into 10, 30. Plus 2 into 1, 2. By writing all these place values in words without using plus symbol, we get number name. That is 432 is equal to, write in words 400. 400. 30 plus 2, 32. Write in words. Now, this is the number name of this number. We can read this number as 432. The second number is 4-digit number using 4 digits. Those are 5, 6, 7, 9. Because of 4 digits, we need 4 places to represent these digits. Those are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. That means here we have 5 thousands and 6 hundreds and 7 tens, 9 ones. This number consists of 5 thousands. So we have to write 5 into 1000 to get place value of 5. Next, how many hundreds are here? 6 number of hundreds. So, write 6 into 100 to get place value of 6. Next, how many tens are here? 7 tens. So, write 7 into 10 plus how many ones are here? 9 ones. So we have to take 9 into 1 to get place value of 9. Is it clear, children? These are all place values of these digits. Let us see the results. 5 into 1000, 5000 plus 6 into 100, 600 plus 7 into 10, 70 plus 9 into 1, 9. Now we have to write these all place values in words. 5,000. First we have to write 5,000. Next, how many hundreds are here? 6 hundreds. So write 600. 600. Next, 70 plus 9, 79. 70 plus 9, 79. Now this is the number name for the given number. We can read this number as 5679. Next number is 5-digit number. So to represent 5 digits, we need 5 places. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. That means this number consists of 8 number of 10,000s. So to get place value of 8, we should write 8 into 10,000 plus. Now we have to take place value of 0. Place value of 0 means we have to take face value of 0 and place of 0. What is that? 1000. Next, here we have 3 number of hundreds in this number. So write 3 into 100 to get place value of 3. To get place value of 3. Next we have to take place value of 6. Now I am writing here. Here we have 6 number of tens. So we have to write 6 into 10. 6 is the face value of 6 and 10 is the place of 6. Next we have to take place value of 4. 4 into 1 gives us place value of 4. Then take their results. 8 into 10,000, 80,000 plus 0 into 1000, 0. Because by multiplying any number with 0, we get only 0. Plus 3 into 100, 300, 6 into 10, 60, plus 4 into 1, 4. These are all place values of these digits. To get number name, we should write all these place values in words. How many thousands are here? Only 80,000 because here 0 thousands. So only 80,000. Write that. 80,000. How many hundreds are here? 3 hundreds. Write that. 80,000, 300. And 60 plus 4, 64. This is the number name for the given number. So we can read this number as 80,364. Now we are going to see how to convert a word form of number into short form. Short form means numeral, numerical form. Understood, children? Word form means already we know that number name. Number name. This is number name. And short form means numerals. Okay. Now we are going to see how to convert word form into short form. Already in our previous class we learned how to write number name for the given numeral. Now we are going to see how to write numeral for the given number name. Is it clear, children? Now we are going to see how to write numeral for the given number name. For better understanding, let us take some examples. Now I am taking 569. Here we have 569. This is the number name. Let us see how to write numeral for this number name. Look, children, how many hundreds are here? 500. Write that one. 500 plus 60 means how many tens? 60 is nothing but 6 tens. 6 tens are 60. Is it clear? 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. Plus 9. 9 means, simply write 9. Actually, it is 9 ones. Once observe here, this is in sum of the place values. Actually, this is the form of sum of the place values of the number. Let us write 500. We can write 500 as 5 into 100 plus 60 as 6 into 10 plus 9 as 9 into 1. Isn't it? Now, I am writing in words. 100 means 500. 5 hundreds plus 6 tens. 6 tens plus 9 ones. So, in this number name, we have 5 hundreds, 6 tens, 9 ones. Isn't it? Hundreds, tens, ones. These are all places. Already we learned in previous class. Hundreds, tens and ones. These are all places. Now I am taking these places in its short form. Hundreds means H. Tens means T. Ones means O. According to that, now we have to arrange the corresponding digits in their places. 5 is related to hundreds. Now you have to write 5 in hundreds place. And 6 is related to tens place. You have to write 6 in tens place. 9 is related to ones place. So you have to write 9 in ones place. So 569. This is the numeral. This is the numeral for the given number name. And this is also called short form for the given word form of the number. Is it clear, children? Now, I am taking 4237. 4237. Let us see how to write numeral for this number name. First, we have to write how many thousands are here. How many thousands are here? 4 thousands. So, write that one. 4 thousands. Plus, how many hundreds are there? 200. 200. And 30 means how many tens are here? 3 tens because 3 tens gives us 30. So write that 30 plus 7. 7 means 7 ones. Now we can write this one as 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000 and 200 as 2 into 100. We can write 200 as 2 into 100 and 30. We can write 30 as 3 into 10 and 7 simply like 7 into 1. By multiplying any number with 1, we get the same number. Okay children? Now, just listen. I am taking 1000, 100, 10, 1 in words. 4 thousands. I am taking short form. Look here children, I am taking short form for 1000 and 2 into 100 means here we have to use H to represent 100. 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds plus 3 into 10 means we have to use 3T. T for tens and 7 ones means wo. This is ones. Don't be confused here. This is not 0. Ones. So 1000, hundreds, tens and ones. These are all places of the digits or places of the digits of the corresponding number. Let us write those places here. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Now we have to write corresponding digits in their places. 4 is related to thousands. Now you have to write 4 in thousands place. 2 is related to hundreds. So we have to write 2 in hundreds place because we have 2 hundreds. And how many tens are here? 3. So 3 is related to tens place. And how many ones are here? 7 ones. 7 ones. So we should write 7 in ones place. So this is the numeral for the given number name. And we can read this one as 4237. Is it clear children? Now I am taking 84,073. 84,073. Let us take numbers. How many thousands are here? Here we have 84 thousands. Here we have 84 thousands. And how many hundreds are here? Is there any hundred? No hundreds. And 70 means here we have tens. How many tens? 70 means 7 tens. Isn't it? 7 tens gives us 70. Now write that. 70 plus 3. Is it clear children? Here we have 84 thousands and 70 plus 3. There is no 100. Now we have to split this number as 80,000 plus 4,000. 80,000 plus 4,000 gives us 84,000 plus 70 plus 3. Is it clear? Then I am writing this one as a product. 8 into 10,000. 8 into 10,000. 8 into 10,000 is nothing but 80,000. 4 into 1000. We can write 4,000 as 4 into 1000 plus 70 as 7 into 10 plus 3 as 3 into 1. 3 as 3 into 1. Is it clear children? We can write 80,000 as 8 into 10,000, 4000 as 4 into 1000, 70 as 7 into 10, 3 as 3 into 1. Now, I am writing these values in words. 8 into 10,000s. 10,000s I am writing in short form. TH 10,000. 8 10,000s. And 4,000s. 4,000s. TH stands for 1000. Plus 7 tens. T for 10. Plus 3 ones. I am writing full form to avoid the confusion. 3 ones. Now 10,000, 1,000, tens, ones. These are all places corresponding to the digits of this number. Let us write those places. 10,000. Next one, thousands. Actually, in our places, which place will come after thousands and before tens? That is 100. 100. You have to write that one also. 100. And next place is tens. Next place is ones. Okay, children? 10,000s related to 8. 1,000 related to 4. 100. There is no 100, so we should use 0 for this place. Next, 7 is related to tens. 3 is related to ones. Let us write those digits in their corresponding places. Now, 8 is related to 10,000. 4 related to 1,000. So, we should write 4 in thousands place. And 7 is related to tens place. So, you have to write in tens place. 7 in tens place. 3. You have to write 3 in ones place. Then what about hundreds? There is no 100 in the given number name. So we should write 0 in the place of 100. In the place of 100. Now this is the numeral for the given number name. And we can read this number as 84,073. Is it clear, children? Have you understood this topic? I hope you understood. Based on this topic, now I am going to give one worksheet. Let us see the worksheet. In this worksheet, I gave only one question. That is, write the numerals for the following number names. Here you have two number names. For those number names, you have to write short form. That is, you have to write numerals for the given number names. So, please do this worksheet and get ready for next class. Take care, children.